Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable your network adapter on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. Select network and internet on the left panel. And then on the right side, select advanced network settings at the bottom of the list. And then select the enable option up here at the top underneath network adapter, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.